Good morning, everyone. Benjamin here. So, today is Sunday, and I want to update everyone here about our charts before the new week starts. And of course, we will be looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, and total. So, make sure to watch the video to the end. I will say some important things about the total market cap value of Bitcoin and Ethereum and some other coins. And yeah, I will show you our portfolio in the end, which I highlighted on our thumbnail. So what happened in the last days? We finally managed to breach out of this red Fibonacci trading zone, and therefore I expect that we will establish the wave 3 to the end. This wave 3 starting from here at 90,500, and it's possible that we will reach 35,000 in the next days. So everyone has a reason to be optimistic, and I expect that the market will push higher in the next days, of course. And after that, we will see a consolidation in wave 4, and finally a wave 5, and then we will establish the macro wave 1, which I have discussed in past videos. The alternative 2 remains on the chart because the whole movement from here looks like it could be another wave 1-2 setup, but right now I expect that we will push higher, and it's only an alternative, and I'm not going to explain this further here. Maybe if I feel the need to in the next days, but not now. So let's look at the long-term chart for those who don't know it already. This is the long-term count on Bitcoin, which we cover, and it's the same exact count, just like in the other chart, but on a higher time frame, the 2-day time frame. So, and you can see this 1-2 right here from the last chart, and the 3-4-5 movement, and I expect that we will top out somewhere between these two extensions in the macro wave 1, and hopefully we could see a breach above $40,000 right here. But let's see what happens if the market gains enough momentum, and after that we would of course establish this macro wave 2 in fall and winter of this year. But first we have to reach this level until we can give you further details about this. So, and let's go to Ethereum. The chart is here, of course, very similar. We had a significant inflow of capital in the last days and climbed more than Bitcoin. That's very good news, and I expect that we will reach the 1.618 extension 2 in Ethereum at around $2,400, and hopefully we could extend this wave a little bit more to the upside. It would be a really good sign for Ethereum, but let's see what happens. And of course, a wave 4 consolidation, and currently I have reason to believe that we will experience a very large wave 5. I will explain this in more detail in another update. So stay tuned for the Wednesday update. But just like in Bitcoin, I have this alternative 2 still on the chart. This would mean that the whole movement, this movement, would be another 1-2. Maybe I can show it you with this. That means 1 and another 2 and then a wave 3. But right now, this would 1, 2, 3. But right now, I don't think this will happen. So I track this alternative, but I will keep you guys updated, of course, if I feel a need to, and if the market should give me further clues about this. So keep this Fibonacci zone in mind, and let's move on to the long-term chart in Ethereum. This is the same count just as in the other chart, but the only difference we have here is that we have this major wave 1-2 and another 1-2. This is a difference. This is different than from Bitcoin, but I explained it in great detail in the update last week, so I won't go into detail about this too. And yeah, we expect that the market can push above $3,000 in the next Microwave 1 in summer, and then we will see a Microwave 2 in fall. So let's see what happens in the next weeks. I'm very optimistic, and I hope that most altcoins can profit of this movement too. So at last, let's move on to the total chart. Some guys might not know what this count is. It represents the crypto total market cap in US dollars. It's the market cap of all coins combined which exist in the crypto space. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chainlink, and all other altcoins. Why use this chart? I will give you an explanation about this. I made the observation that this chart oftentimes really is a really good indicator on where the overall market is heading, and the whole wave movements are much more smoothly than Bitcoin. So it's easier for me as an analyst to see in which market phase we are right now. And just as you can see, we had this wave 1, 2. Of course, it heavily correlates with Bitcoin, but there are some small differences, of course. And let me say it clear. I expect that the whole market should push higher in the next days. So we will be seeing further price increases in all coins, at least in the next 2 weeks in this wave 3. It would be very good if the market cap could reach this zone right here at 1.46 trillion US dollars, or even more. This would be the more the better, of course. And just like I explained it in the other charts, Microwave 1, Microwave 2, it's the same here. So we have reason to be optimistic that the market will push higher in the next days, and that the market cap will also inflow in some altcoins of ours. If you have questions regarding this, please just leave them in the comments. I will answer them, of course. And another observation which I just would like to point out here, the total crypto market cap often is really accurate when reaching certain Fibonacci levels. As you can see down here, the blue retracement zone. In a wave 2, the most optimal retracement is the 0.618x retracement. And you can see it here. We perfectly reached it last March and then immediately jumped higher above the wave 1 high. And therefore, my assumption is still that we are in a wave 3, 4, 5 movement. So much about this. And just like I said, if you have questions, just leave them in the comments. So regarding our portfolio, I have shown this portfolio some times before in the last articles, and I would like to show it again here. We have several positions in Bitcoin and Ethereum and our altcoin packages, which we cover. And currently we are in profit of 97% in Ethereum and 46% in Bitcoin. And I just would like to point this out. All our positions and long or short positions are announced on our trading view on our private website. It loads. So this is our private website. You can get a membership there if you want. We cover the same exact things which we do on our YouTube channel, but you get to know everything before the other investors get to know in the public. And our membership is currently free of charge. So if you want to sign up, I will leave the link in the comment section below. So much about this. Let's see what happens in the next days, and I will be thrilled to see if we would experience a significant inflow of capital in Chainlink or Solana. But let's see. Have a great week and a good Sunday. See you guys. Goodbye.